Hey, myself Rahul Arethiya. I started my journey with Karkhana.io back in 2018, right from day zero. Those were the initial days when we had a small office on the streets of Mumbai with just say 2 chairs, one fan and a common inbox, but with a lot of ambition we started our initial journey. The initial days were more like being around suppliers, making sure we get the orders delivered and also doing the tough grind there. When we used to work on these orders, like we always had one thing that was say manufacturing is tough, period. And we needed to do whatever it takes to make it fast and reliable for our customers out there. Then we slowly started pivoting to more software and technology solutions where my journey became more like being around more of Google Sheets and less of seeing metal chips fly around. That was the time when we created an entire suite of software products for our both buyers as well as our suppliers. With these software products, we made sure that the things that worked for us at Karkhana for all these years, those are available to all other stakeholders as well in the form of a software product. As I complete 6 years, right from when I started as an intern back then, I think what has stood strong always has been the team that we have here at Karkhana.io. It has been a good blend of young engineers as well as experienced folks around. Whenever we have been at any crossroads, it is this team that has helped us to move forward. And also the core values that we hold true to ourselves here at Karkhana.io that has helped us to navigate through every situation very seamlessly. Yeah, that has been my journey so far. A journey full of learnings, a journey full of roles and responsibilities, and a journey which has helped me to thrive forward in my career as well.